This is the absolute innovation that transforms the process of pulling wire and cable. At least, that is what the makers write about their intriguing creation. On construction or renovation sites, experts explain that two people are typically required to install lines. With this tool, however, one person is sufficient, and they can complete the task more quickly and with less effort. All they need to do is load the cable, press the button, and wait. The tool will work on its own, so they don't even need to hold it. The tool costs $1,264 and has a battery life of up to 4 hours and a wire length of up to 49 feet. It also has a remote control. Professionals working in the natural world, including foresters, gardeners, gamekeepers, and others, will be interested in this versatile product. You can buy this grabber, which attaches to tractors up to 45 horsepower, ATVs, buggies, and other similar equipment for about $75. It makes it much easier for them to remove unwanted shrubs and trees from the ground without using pesticides and without leaving roots behind. Your screen is the result of the work done by a single individual, and the 16 teeth are designed to grab plants up to roughly 3 inches thick, so securely that the manufacturers have already applied for a patent. Our selection continues with a product from the DeWalt Company, which was established in 1924 and is well known among builders worldwide. In 2021, the company became the official tool supplier to the McLaren F1 team. Today's selection also includes this lock jig, which will assist you in cutting doors in order to install a lock. The M3 steel hole saws used in the product allow you to deal with 1.75-inch thick doors because it is a heat-resistant material that is utilized even in difficult situations. The product is suitable for both metal and wood doors. Strengthened grip plates offer a firm grip, and the kit comes with an adapter, mandrels, spare parts, and other helpful items. The asking price is $158. Here is yet another intriguing item. A hammer for marking trees is useful, for instance, in the lumber industry, where it is simple to mark each piece of wood for later transportation after the wood has already been sold. The fundamental kit comes with a hammer, a labeling system, a nail bag, and a strap for shoulder carrying. The mechanism is safe and practical as each nail is readily inserted into the hammerhead with one hand. The set weighs roughly 28 ounces and costs $344. The hammer has a capacity of 40 tags. Next, if you didn't know, a professional grand piano weighs about 1,100 pounds. With the help of the Easy Tilt tool, a single person can effortlessly arrange the instrument in the exact position without harming it or suffering a hernia. There are piano fastening screws that work with all brands. Customers receive 14 screws marked in various colors for ease, and the tool's weight makes it simple to handle in one hand. The tool that has revolutionized drywall taping says a review, as is known, these joints are sealed with putty and then finished with reinforcing tape. The creators of the tool proposed to combine these two operations. The product resembles a huge tape measure and was created by a professional for professionals, so it offers ease of handling with either hand, a weight of 2.9 pounds, and a capacity of 5.5 pounds of compound, and 500 feet of tape from flat joints to inside corners. The job will be easier and faster. The tool is priced $370. Users are happy and also wondering where to buy these stilts. According to a review, the tool that has transformed drywall taping is this accessory to help you with grounding rods, used to safely work with various machines, equipment, and tools that, without a ground connection, build up a charge that could result in an electric shock. The manufacturer offers 2 models for driving rods at 3/4 or 1 inch from ground level. The accessory allows for the sledgehammer to be eliminated and is especially helpful if the work is being done on a slope and the rods are large. Additionally, the rods typically need to be driven to a depth of about 10 feet below the frost line. The end receiver on both models is hexagonal, and the design has already been granted a patent. There are more than 1 billion cars on the earth, so even experience won't keep you from having a random accident, despite the gains the automotive industry has made. The idea behind this technique is paintless dent removal, which is what PDR stands for. There are many options, from hooks and riveting tools to induction systems like this one. They're ideal for small dents but require experience. It's also not advised to use them on white cars because the paint can turn yellow. However, the repair process is much quicker and uses less material. Forklifts are widely used in warehouses and on construction sites. In 2018, Toyota alone generated more than $11 billion in revenue from the sale of forklifts. Unsurprisingly, improvements to them are as popular as the more effective use of forklifts that they enable. This type comes in a number of variations with load capacities ranging from 4,400 to 11,000 pounds and heights between 10 and 13 feet. You can convert a forklift into a tiny crane with these capabilities by locking the boom in a variety of positions and lengths ranging from 3 to 13 feet. The system costs as little as $1,500. This connector is a godsend for both private builders and public utilities because it makes it easy to connect two pipes of nearly any thickness and made of any material, whether plastic or concrete. Its nominal diameter ranges from 12 to 94.5 inches. Its maximum angle is 11, and it is made to remain connected even if the ground shifts. It is composed of polyvinyl chloride, also known as PVC, which is used to make pipes that can carry various chemicals. As a result, the connection can handle sewage without any issues. The seller advertises this multi-purpose wrench as an emblem of industry recreated to gain a grasp on the 21st century. But if you want it right now, you'll have to wait until February 2023. If the $148 price tag seems too high, you can find replicas online for about $23. The wrench weighs 10.6 ounces, measures 7.1 by 2.4 by 0.5 inches, and is suitable for fasteners with a diameter of 0.02 to 0.9 inches. It can also be used as a multi-tool, acting as a knife, hammer, bottle opener, and bit holder when necessary. The following item is a more advanced tool that experts have probably already recognized. It is a digital torque wrench that is used to tighten bolts to a specific torque, such as on a car suspension. The version you are viewing is made by a German company, and it has a color touchscreen. Its price is shocking and varies depending on the version, but it is loaded with features. The wrench has plus or minus 1% measurement precision, plus or minus two-dimensional 2D scanning capability, compatibility with the XML format, and other bells and whistles. Of course, the range not only emits sound and vibration signals, but also shows data on the screen. Why not make the crowbar better? The outcome is displayed on your screen, and this tool will assist you. Everything from the ground to the roof can be demolished and dismantled. The most expensive version costs $125 and comes with a 60-inch motorized roof, board sheathing for decks, and steel fasteners for drywall. I've used the 48-inch version on plastered walls, and it is a beast, writes an impressed owner. The model weighs around 10.5 pounds and, owing to the wheels, lessens arm strain, while the ingenious design of the top allows you to work without needlessly leaning down. Watch the next video for more amazing tech.